very proud to say that this iconic institution has come a long way to establishing ourselves into a university system, which is the first of a kind in India. In the university, everywhere else, a fashion program is an institute which is outside the university. By coming in the university, we've got design as well as research integrated, and a mix of all the departments, so we tend to gain much more, we hope, than the other institutions. And in so many years we've seen a growth, which is huge. So I am really ecstatic to see so many known faces around me, and I urge you all for your suggestions, your voices, your fun time, your help in whichever way you can to strengthen your very own department. Thank you.
Request the patron of the Alumni Association Reconnect, Dr. Rita Khan, to address the alumni and to brief you up about the working of the Alumni Association to be formed today.
Thank you, Vicky. Special guest for the day, Madam Sohini Makkar, Professor Sween, Dr. Prabdeep Raj, my colleagues of the faculty of UIFT, and our members of the alumni. I welcome each one of you. Appreciate you all for opening the innings of this alumni meet. Each one of you present here is warmly greeted and valued as a supporter of UIFT and UD Reconnect. UIFT Reconnect is a community constituted of our former undergraduate and postgraduate students. Formation of this alumnus has been overdue. UIFT started with an enrollment of 9 students in 2007, and the numbers have been growing ever since. The first batch of undergrads graduated in 2011 and postgraduates in 2013. Over the years, the department has developed its infrastructure and its faculty as well.
मैं मानिक, मैं पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी का एलुमनाई स्टूडेंट हूँ। आज हमने यहाँ पे एग्जीबिशन लगाई है और ये UIFT डिपार्टमेंट जहाँ पे एलुमनाई मीट चल रही है, तो हमारे यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट्स डिस्प्ले हैं। यू कैन कम एंड हैव अ लुक। हमारे पास कोस्टर्स, की रिंग्स, ईयर रिंग्स, पेंटिंग्स और बहुत कुछ है जो कि आपको शायद पसंद आएगा। प्लीज़ आइए। प्राइस रेंज हमारी स्टार्ट होती है सर 30 से स्टार्ट होके वी हैव मैक्सिमम प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ 2500। इयररिंग्स जो हैं ये न्यूज़पेपर के बने हैं, हमारे पास डेनिम के हैं और पेपर के हैं। ये सारे के सारे वाटरप्रूफ और ड्यूरेबल हैं। इनकी लाइफ अबाउट 5 to 6 years तक है। तो हमारा मतलब दिस इज़ द बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट जो कि हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा बिकता है। की रिंग्स और की रिंग्स भी हमारी रेंज 30 से स्टार्ट होके 100 तक जाती है, और की रिंग्स जो हैं ये भी पेपर से बन रखे हैं, टोटली वाटरप्रूफ और ड्यूरेबल हैं।
Yeah, hello. I am Dr. Rita Khan, a senior faculty at University Institute of Fashion Technology. And today this is about the alumni meet that we are holding over here in the department. This is the first meet we are organizing, and it is called UIFT Reconnect. We have a lot of students who are participating today. And the aim of this meeting today is to first of all introduce the students to the philosophy of having an alumni, and then what their roles and responsibilities will be in the future. We'll be electing their executive body today, comprised of president, vice president, treasurer, etc. And thereafter, of course, we'll have some performances given by them. So it is basically to encourage them to remain connected with the organization, with their own institution, their alma mater, so that we can take things forward and have openings for our current students who are looking for careers right after passing out of the organization. So and we have invited a famous entrepreneur of the city in fashion collection, Mrs. Soni Makkar. She is here to encourage the students, to tell them how they can also set up their own enterprises as they come out, and they can be job givers instead of seeking jobs. And we have our founder member, Dr. Sween, over here with us too. So we are trying to do our best, making our efforts. So we start admissions to this course in the month of June. Classes begin in July, August. So students who are keen to join this institution and to make their careers in designing as creative people and having their own enterprise, they can all apply in the month of June to this course, which is a 5-year integrated course of offering BSc and MSc in fashion and lifestyle technology. The subjects here are very allied and assorted, so a person can find one's own niche. Like if somebody wants to be a designer, so be it. Somebody wants to be a fashion photographer or a media journalist, or maybe have one's own startup enterprise. So it's a very good course for a startup as well. So I would request all those people who are listening to this right now and who are eligible in their +2, whether they're doing sciences or arts or commerce, whatever subject they may be, they can come here for an aptitude test, fill up a form, answer an aptitude test. We check your aptitude, and if you have it, so then we prepare a merit list. On the basis of merit, you can take admission to this course. It's a professional course, and I promise you, you will enjoy yourself and you will turn out to be very responsible and professional students with entrepreneurship qualities in yourself. Thank you.